Hey, how's it going? I hope that you are having a great night, day, morning, afternoon, wherever it is that you are. I am obviously at night. You can see my dark windows behind me. And I am doing this video because I wanted to show you quickly how to do a few things that I've talked about before in my weekly Zoom calls for strategy and questions. And I've also had some people messaging me, asking some questions and putting in my private group. And so I wanted to run through this real quick. Now, what you see here on the screen is leftover from the presentation from Funnel Hacking Live from Jason Fladlien. Really great stuff. I'm not going to go through it all, but I wanted to show you a little bit about what he's doing for Amazon. And I've seen this over and over again. I've used it for some of my clients as well. My good friend Brian is doing that, and he is just blowing it up with Amazon and funnels. And so I'm going to walk you through both Jason's and Brian's, what they're doing to capture leads and get Amazon sales, so that they're not giving all the power to Amazon. So something that, this is again from Jason Fladlien's presentation from Funnel Hacking Live, is he has a opt-in page before you actually go to Amazon. So he'll send people to here from an ad, from an email, from a YouTube, or wherever it is he's sending from. And Brian goes into this a little bit in his course, actually a lot in a lot of his stuff, and I can send you those links if you're interested. But what he does is he has this, get our new vitamin C and get your coupon. And he's got this page and it's talking about, you know, how amazing it is and what the price is, and click here to unlock your coupon. Okay? And so if we pop over to Jason's page here, you can see he's doing the exact same thing. His page is a little bit cleaner. It's got the outdoors. It's for the run. It's the same thing. Get my coupon. And he's got, when you click on it, you put in the email, and I want my discount. And the same thing with, let me get back to Jason's over here. If you scroll down, Jason has more information on here. He actually goes through step-by-step images on the screen of what your customer needs to do. What he said in his presentation is to make it super, super simple so that people cannot make a mistake. So you tell them to click here. You tell them to go type this. This is the image of the one that they want. And this is where you put it in the promo code. So he walks them through step by step, so you absolutely can't mess it up. And then you click on it and it goes to there. And he puts the countdown timer on it as well. And so at that point, they get a pop-up just like Brian's, and then they put in their email address. So as you can see, Brian does the exact same thing. And when you click on it, you're going to go to the next page, and it's going to have that coupon code, and it's also going to go in the email. Now, why are we doing this? Why aren't we just sending them to Amazon? Well, it's because we want to capture their email address and build our own email lists. Why? So that we can go back and email them again with additional special offers, limited time, another product that's very similar, all of that type of thing. You can't do that unless you have their email. And as those of you who are selling on Amazon or selling as an affiliate, you don't get their emails. So this is a way that you can build up your own list. And if this is something you're interested in, let me know, because Jason goes through several other steps, and I've got several other ways that I've used with other clients as well that we can go through and see this. So I wanted to just give you a few small steps here of quick things that you can do. And then from here, what you have them do is, let's say that you're not selling your own products on Amazon. Let's say that you're selling an affiliate. Well, from here, what you do is on the thank you page, you have the link for the coupon, and then you have the link for your affiliate code. So let me switch back over to Jason's real quick and see if he's got it. Here we go. So his thank you page, here's, he's got the code. Again, he's got the picture. Now, what you would do is this link where they go to Amazon now, if you're selling as an affiliate, then you would put your affiliate link. What Jason talked about in his presentation is that he sends people to Amazon.com directly, and he tells them to search on his product name. That improves the rankings from his experience and what he's been doing. But if you're an affiliate, obviously you don't want to do that because you want your affiliate code. Now, you could send them to Amazon directly and not have that affiliate link, or you might be able to send them to Amazon with your affiliate link, but I'm pretty certain, and I haven't tested this out, that you have to send them to a product in order to have your affiliate link. So that is one quick way that you can use Amazon and ClickFunnels. You can create a squeeze page like this, an opt-in page, in literally 30 minutes. And if the template's something that you're interested in, let me know. I'm happy to put it up for you. And it's just very powerful. It's an easy way to grow your list and be able to get money on Amazon. So I hope this was helpful, and I will talk to you soon.